Welcome back. It's sunny, so we're either going away in the van when it's sunny, or we're working on the van when it's sunny. And yesterday, we went to IKEA, or as it says on the TV, IKEA. So one of the things we have bought is that, which we'll show you later. But today, we're going through the sliding door. So what have we got behind the sliding door? And Sandra's not fucking ready.
Oh, hello. I was playing.
Right. Do you want to read it? Okay, fine. So we have bought, let me step in.
We've bought a peggedy pegboard, which is going to go here. And it's going to have shelves on it. And bits and bobs.
And when Sandra gets bored, she can move the shelves about.
Yeah. And then, if I get bored with the tyre tread, I can turn it round to a plane background.
She feels in a plane mood. Boeing.
Tyre tread. There you go. Like that. That's what I reckon.
But that's not all, because we've also bought another pegboard, because we've used them on the back doors here, which, yeah, it's working good. We're going to put another one there, and we need to cut that round the arch. And yes, we've got a bit of carpet, so we might carpet the archway, which we probably should have done about 3 years ago.
And then we're going to put the floor down in the back, which we should have also done.
All today, which if you believe that, you'll believe anything.
Are we ready?
No, I haven't speeded it up yet. Cool, so all the tools are out, chairs are out, well, for lunch. I guess let's get on with it. Cool.
Off you go, take us far and wide, through the mountains by the seaside. Our home on wheels where dreams collide. With you go, we'll never need to hide.
What do you want me to do?
Put them in there so we don't lose them.
We'll lose the box.
You might.
Oh, we need into the back, maybe the back.
Yeah.
That's fine. Don't want it too low.
No.
I reckon about there. But pressure, I don't think does it.
Okay.
What am I doing? The corners?
Across the top. And then down, probably down this side and then okay.
Do this one?
No,
No?
because then we've got that corner marked. And that can down there. Then
Smooth.
smooth as you like.
Yeah. So, we're going to try and sort out our pots and pans and see whether they are able to be used in a different way of storing them. And IKEA, that's interesting, I haven't got a zip thingy on it. I've got a zip tie thing.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll let IKEA off on that. Okay, that's the back. one drawer done. Oh, that's okay. You alright, Cosmo? Oh, you got an itch. You got an itch. Oh, poor boy. Poor boy. You're always out hunting. Yes, you are. Hey? Hey? Mr. Rescue Pussycat. Oh, handsome. Are you handsome? Oh. Oh. Are you a handsome boy? Are you handsome? You are handsome. Okay. So, drawers look like this. So, plan is I'm going to put other bits in it. Okay. Let's see how we get along, shall we? This could be a very big fail. That may have to rethink this idea. Anyway, this will now fit down here and be snug. Yeah. And I am left with my ridge monkey. The only thing it doesn't go in is my chimney oven clanking around here, which I've only ever used once. Which I managed to burn my top with. That's fine. That can go in the oven. It can go in the garage. That spares up another box. Okay. That's not bad actually.
So the bit I've got to sort Just that bit there. So I'm going to cut that off, then I think we'll be all right. So let's go with that.
Find that.
Okay, so
Not yet. No, it's not getting the chocolate yet, Hans.
put one in first, then.
That's it. Keep going, keep going. Oh, bit of a wiggle. There you go.
Right. So how is that?
Oh, we'll have to. Oh, that's good. There's my little accessories which are behind you. Oh. You go.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. And try the others on. little bit of the flooring done. We've then got our electric hook up there. We've got our cans and other stuff here. And then inside,
We've got our thing hanging up underneath.
oh yeah, we have our tent poles hanging up underneath. And then put some more lights on. Our unit, I might turn the light off, it might be better without the light. No, it's probably not. It's probably better with the light. Unit, trays and hooks for the kitchen. Maybe we'll take that in better light, eh? Thanks for watching.